everyone, I'm Dixon Selvan and I make videos about the electronic projects that I do, RoadTest reviews that I perform, and DIY projects and much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon to get notified each time I post some new content. So let's begin with the unboxing of the Particle Mesh Wi-Fi bundle, which has an Argon kit and 2 XENON kits. Let's open the Argon kit first. The package has details all around it, and at the back you have some more details if you would need, like the particle OS, the chip, and what's inside the box. The packaging is made of a paper cover over a cardboard box. The cardboard box is pretty much strong and you can use it for storing the components. So what's inside the box? First, we have a card with links to share our projects and links for some IoT insights as well. This can come handy. Next, we have a package which has the main Argon board. The package has a drawing of the board. Next, followed by this, we have the Wi-Fi antenna and then the breadboard, USB cable and other components package. Let's now open the paper packaging one by one. The Argon board's package has the Argon board itself and it has an airtight seal. The board is secured at the bottom with the help of a thick foam which prevents the header pins from bending. Let's remove it. Let me show you a close-up of how the board looks like. Next, let's open the Wi-Fi antenna package, which has obviously the Wi-Fi antenna. At last, we have the package which has a small breadboard, some components, and then a beautiful white USB cable. The USB cable is of good quality and it's beautiful in white. It has a particle logo as well. The paper packages have an airtight seal which can be used for safe storage of components when not in use. Or you can simply put them in the box. Next, we have the 2 XENON kits package. Let's open one of them. Same as the Argon kit, the XENON kits package has details all on the sides and as well in the back. Let's remove the paper cover and open the package to see what's inside the kit. Let me keep this aside and open the cardboard box. Inside the box, we have a same card as in the Argon's package. Then we have the XENON board package, followed by the breadboard cable and components package. Now let me take the XENON board package and see what we got inside. Same as the Argon package, we have the XENON board alone inside this package, and it looks much like the same as well. As in the previous case, we have the XENON board protected with a thick foam, but the bottom is quite different. Let me show you the board up close. Next, let me open the components package. The component package has some resistors, some LEDs and photodiode. And then we have the same good quality USB cable as in the Argon Kits package. At last, we have a nice small breadboard. Particle debugger and a JTAG ribbon cable are also included in the particle mesh Wi-Fi bundle. This can be used for debugging purposes. Inside this paper cover, you have the debugger and cable secured inside a bubble wrap. This is the particle debugger and this is the JTAG ribbon cable, which is of sensible length and quality. Last in this bundle is the FEATHERWING tripler, which can be used for prototyping purposes. This is compatible with FEATHERWING accessories and particle boards like the Argon, Boron and Xenon. Included in this package inside this bubble wrap are some female header pins compatible with the FEATHERWING accessories and a proto board. These female header pins kind of stuck together, which can be separated just by pulling off. They are 3 in number. And this is the main proto board. In addition to all these, Element 14 community has provided to road testers the Grove starter kit, which is inside this beautifully designed green box. It has all the listed Grove components which are compatible with the particle mesh Wi-Fi bundle components. Let's open it and see what's inside this box. As in the previous cases, it also has a card, but it has links to the Grove Kit's product page. Followed by this, we have the following Grove components: a chainable RGB LED, a Grove light sensor which has a photoresistor to detect light intensity, a temperature and humidity sensor, a 4-digit display, an ultrasonic ranger, a Grove shield for particle mesh inside this airtight package. This can be used to place the Argon or Xenon boards and then connect the other Grove components. Then a buzzer, a rotary angle sensor, a button, and a few Grove connectors. This will pretty much be enough to connect all the Grove kit components present here. As you notice, there are some spawns provided here for keeping these components safely while not in use. Let's put them all back inside. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more on this road test of the particle mesh Wi-Fi bundle and Grove starter kit. See ya!